Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Melissa. How are you guys doing tonight? Let me try and get the camera at a decent angle. Okay, hopefully she stays that way, and hopefully it will not flip on me. Believe me, that's happened too many times. You can go through my videos and you can see it. I guess it's just me flipping my lid. Anyway, I'm here today with a little bit more planner fun. You saw my last couple of videos. I've been really stoked about the Aurora Estelle planner that I recently got, and I do have another one coming that's a little bit bigger. This is an A6, and I think the one that I ordered is going to be a personal size. I either got that one or the B6. I can't remember. I have one of them, but anyway. So, with that said, before I even found these planners, I had, and I cannot remember where I stumbled upon it, but someone had a planner, and it was probably on a video that I was watching, because let's face it, that's what I do all the time, checking out people's videos with their planners and things. But anyway, I found this planner, and it's from a company called Chapters, and I went and I checked out the website. And I'm going to pull the website up here in just a minute, just so I can make sure I have the correct information. But they had the beautiful lilac color that is just makes my heart go pitter patter in every way, shape, and form. And I got a B6 because I didn't want to get any bigger, but at the same time, I didn't want to, I did want to check it out. I'll have to look. We'll look in just a second together. In the meantime, here she is. And it's like I said, it's by a company called Chapters. I had never heard of it before. I am discovering all kinds of things. But here is their information. You can either go to their website, www.chapters.com. You can follow them on Facebook and on Instagram. And I'm definitely going to do that because I want to see what they've got. It came with these cute little cards. Just little sayings on them. This is just the beginning. It's only going to get better from here and things like that. So it came with those. But here is the color. And it feels... Oops. I got the window open so little thingies are flying in. They better get away. Get away from the planners. But it is a B6 size, which... looks like it's about the same size as an A6, but you can see it's a little bit different, a little bit larger. This will be the same size as, and I just dropped my pen, this will be the same size as these, my 1407 planners. Excuse me, I keep knocking you guys. Only it's not a traveler's notebook, it is a ringed planner. And it came with its own inserts in a very nice, I should have saved the wrapping for you guys because, oh my gosh, it was packaged so beautifully in that beautiful box with a gorgeous ribbon. So they outdid themselves there. This is a little bit more on the expensive side, especially since I don't think it's real leather. It feels like my Kiki K cross-stitch leather. It really feels like it. And it's that way in and out. But it is more your traditional planner than, I don't know what I'm trying to say. The more expensive ones or so are. Comes with its own inserts. It has very small rings. So that, for me, would be a problem if this were going to be my everyday planner because of the way I stuff mine. But I don't know what size that would even be considered. Maybe a 15 millimeter? I'm not really sure. But at least they are gold, and I do like that. So... and I do love the inserts. They just go right along with all the happy planner stuff that I enjoy so much. So I like that. Has some little stickers, several pages. It looks like, oh my goodness, gives you quite a lot of pages of stickers. And then the paper quality is excellent. Oh, very, very good paper quality in this. So this planner belongs to... And I'm looking at on the inside of this for the first time with you guys. So you've got your 2020-21 year at a glance, important dates, So it looks like you don't have an actual month view. You don't. So it's just daily views. With the smallest these rings are, if they had the months in there as well, it'd probably be pretty tight. But it gives you lots of room on your pages to write out your days. So that is kind of cool. I do like that. Then you come to another, again, pretty, the paper quality is great, ladies. Can you hear that? That's very, very good paper quality. And it's not like white. It's kind of got the kind of stationary yellowish tint to it. So there's more days. So this must take you into, oh, okay. Oh, maybe not. I was thinking maybe it had 2 years. So just for the, probably dated. So this is probably for the year 2020 only, I'm thinking. I'll have to really look and check and see what we got. But I'm thinking that's what it is. And in that case, you know, I can take a lot of the Pages books out. But don't, you know what? You can always reuse that stuff. Put little stickers on there. It's not like I'm going to not use these pages because they're dated incorrectly. No. No. Put stickers on and I will use them for something else. For next year. Put new dates on them. But it's beautiful. It doesn't have any pocket back here in the back. This is not an elastic. This is just a material that it's made out of. But it does have, these are very much like my Carpe Diem planners as far as that. But the quality of is much, much nicer. I gotta say that. Yeah. It really, really feels and looks like one of my Kiki Ks. It really does. Just needs bigger rings. That's all she needs is bigger rings to do more with. But this is not, this, even with that, if you did have bigger rings, it wouldn't be very pliable because it's structured. So that's all you could fit in there. So let me, I want to go to their web page and kind of give you an idea of pricing and stuff. Okay, so chapters. And then put planners in so it pulls up the right thing. Okay. Oh, it's not pulling them up at all. Okay, let's try again. I really cannot remember where I found these. Shopping at its biggest bookstore. Why is it not taking me where I need to go? Did they suddenly go out of business and not tell me? Oh, I'm in the right place. Chapters.com.tr. Okay. Oops. Okay, so it's under the name of Indigo. Okay, yeah, this is it. So it's Canadian. It's from Canada. I don't want to do that. I just want you to go away. Go away. Thank you. Maybe. Am I getting the right place? Plus Inspire Books. Okay, this is weird. Very, 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 very weird. I want to say this was $40 is what I want to say it was. But just because I want to say that doesn't mean, but I think that's what it was. I don't know if I had any discounts or anything like that. It took it a while to get here. So there's that. Let's go to Instagram and see if we can find them on Instagram. I hate that it will not flip. Okay, so search. Hashtag. It says chapters love. Okay, so here it is on Instagram. So that pulled up really quickly. But unfortunately, all that's going to give you is pictures and things. But just, yeah, really beautiful planners. It's just not going to give me any information. I'm pretty sure it's not real leather. I'm pretty sure it's synthetic leather, especially at $40 price point. You're not going to find real leather like that. But, I mean, it's just, their stuff's just very classic and very beautiful. So, if you have better luck finding the website. I found it one time because I ordered from them. So, hey. But, yeah, they will actually, they'll engrave it for you and all that kind of stuff if you wanted to. So, it's a very nice company. Very nice high-end company. And like I said, you can really see the, I mean, just even how thick, you know, the material and everything is. It's very, very nice. It's a beautiful, this is something that would be very nice for the office. Like, this is something I would have carried when I was working in an office. Before my body went boo-boo. But yeah. And with the color, I just was like, oh my gosh. I want that color. So, what I think I'm going to do is hold on to this. When my vendor spec gets here, my vendor spec is a personal size, I think. So the inserts will not fit into that. So depending upon what my other or Estelle is, because yeah, sometimes, obviously I forget things. If it is a B6, then I can use the inserts in it. And like I said, I am very pleased with those inserts. Those are primo inserts. And so is the planner. The only thing I don't like, I'm disappointed whatsoever by, is the rings. And they're just very small. But, you know, what you gonna do? You don't always have to have a big giant ring planner to make it look crazy like I do. Anyway, there is that I wanted to show you. And then I want to show you a cute one that I had just picked up too from, Target. I had to go to Target because that's where I have to go to pick up my medications. And I found this and I really like this. I bought one for a friend of mine who was with me as well. And it's Kelly Ventura for Blue Sky. But it's beautiful. Look at that. And even though I don't use ring planners like this, I ordered a Erin Condren, but it's an older one. It's a 2020 because they had such a huge sale, and then I had an insider's code, so I actually got one of her big planners and I got to customize it and everything. I got it for $10. I've never used one of her big planners. I use her on the Go Folios. I love those, but I've never used one of the big planners, and I just want to get my hands on one just to see what the paper quality and everything was like, because I really love the paper quality in her on the Go Folio inserts. They're beautiful. So, and they say that the paper quality for the ring one is even prettier or better. So anyway, I grabbed this up because this is 2021, so it's a nice thick chunky. I think it was like $12.99. So that beautiful floral stuff that you know me, I love. Comes with ruler. How you like that? Like those apples. Stickers. Several pages of stickers. This planner belongs to all kinds of yearly goals and things. Then you have a daily schedule. And this starts in July of 2020. And paper quality wise, it's good. It's decent. It's not as thick as the chapters that I just showed you, but it is good paper quality. You'd probably have to be ooh, look at me already tearing it up. Of course, you'd have to just be careful with it like you do everything else as far as getting pins and things that bleed through. You want to check on those. But yeah, I just thought, hey, this is a pretty planner. Pretty planner. And what I thought I would do with it I can, and I've done this with stuff before, if I don't use it in here, which I just might, haven't decided yet. Doesn't start till July, so I have time. I might even use it as inserts for one of my ringed planners, because I can do that as well. I can, just them out and punch holes, size them. I think these would actually fit pretty well in one of my A5s. Pretty sure it would. So I can always do that. But I just love this stuff. I got a bunch of pens today too. Tons of pens. I've not used the Sharpie pens yet, so I grabbed one of those, a pack of those, and got a few more of the Gelosity pens I love, a big old pack of those, and then some more of the Energel pens that I love. And the little friend that I was with, she's like a daughter to me. She's my third daughter. But anyway, we were in my car and we busted these things open because I gave her some of them too. It was like, here, pins. She's the one. She is my, like I said, she's just a daughter to me as well. But my other girls don't. They like stuff like this, okay. But she's like me. She's nuts over it. So we have a blast. We have so much fun. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that. And if you want to check that out, go check it out. See what you think about them. It's like I said, it is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful planner. Just needs to be bigger rings, that's all. And of course, you can get them whatever size you want. They have them in A5 and everything as well too. So if you want a bigger one, get a bigger one. All right, guys, that's all I got for you tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Always do though. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Share me with other planner babes that you think would enjoy me. And you guys just have a wonderful evening, and I will see you soon. Bye.